And these superstars are about to take it to the extreme in this one-fall matchup.
There's all sorts of crazy stuff under the ring, and all of it can inflict a lot of damage on an opponent.
These superstars are so unpredictable. I'm having a hard time figuring out what they're going to do next. Big kick echoing around the arena.
Oh!
If you haven't done it yet, check out WWE.com. You'll find updates and blogs from all your favorite superstars.
What a move by the champ! Here we go! Irish whip! I don't think this is a good idea. Oh, that did the damage. But now both men are down. Here they go! These superstars are beating the heck out of each other, and this crowd can't get enough of it.
What a fierce kick.
Here we go! Irish whip!
Just trying to goad his opponent into making a mistake here.
Here they go! The champ does it!
I don't like the look in his eye here, folks.
What a move by the champ! One, two, these superstars are so unpredictable. The champ wins!